Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the form title in Jotform. Whether you're updating an existing form to better reflect its purpose or simply refining your branding, knowing how to modify your form title quickly is essential for keeping your forms organized and professional. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Then click the Login button. This will grant you access to your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are stored and managed. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Forms. This action will take you to a comprehensive view of all the forms you've created, making it easy to locate the specific one you want to edit. Now browse through your list of forms until you find the particular form whose title you wish to change. Once you've located it, look for the Edit Form button associated with that form. Clicking this button will open the form editor, which is the central hub for making any modifications to your form's content, design, and settings. In the form editor, turn your attention to the top of the page. This is where you'll find the current title of your form displayed prominently. Click directly on the title text. This action makes the title editable, allowing you to modify it to suit your needs. Simply delete the existing text or type over it with your new desired title. Make sure your new title is clear and accurately represents the purpose of your form, as this is often the first thing respondents will see. Once you've entered your new title, it's time to see how it looks in action. Click on Preview Form to view your form as it will appear to users. This preview function is incredibly useful because it allows you to verify that your title displays correctly and looks professional before you publish or share the form. Take a moment to review the overall appearance and ensure everything meets your standards. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your form title in Jotform. This simple update can make a significant difference in how your form is perceived and helps maintain clarity across all your data collection efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.